Let's have a go at the most basic way to add in new layers onto your map. To begin with, let's navigate to the layers icon displayed on the left-hand side, which will open up the layers menu. Now let's imagine that I accidentally deleted my volcano status layer. This is me accidentally deleting that layer. If I wanted to add it back, or if I wanted to add a different layer completely, I would click on the little add button here, which will take me to this menu. From here I can click on the down arrow to expand the drop-down menu. And from here, I can either choose to access ArcGIS Online or the Living Atlas. Now the difference between these is quite simple, as they're almost the same thing. ArcGIS Online is Esri's server, Esri being the creators of ArcGIS, where basically any member can upload their content there. So it means it can contain millions of items that aren't very well documented and don't really show good geographical information. Living Atlas, on the other hand, is curated by Esri and contains the best of what ArcGIS Online has to offer. So let's choose the Living Atlas. And now I'm looking for my volcanoes. So I'm going to start typing volcano and hope that I can find my layer again. Here it is, volcano status. Here I can get a little bit of information about it. For example, thanks to the provided description, I know that there are live volcano statuses from the USGS Volcanoes program available within this layer. So that's quite reputable, and I'm happy with that. So I'm going to go down towards the bottom of my screen and click on Add to Map to do exactly that. Now all I'm doing is waiting for it to load, and I'll know that it's ready when the menu over on the right hand side has been updated, and that this has gone from Add to Map to Remove. Now I can close this little pop-up by clicking on the X. If I click on the arrow icon here, I'm taken back to my Layers menu. Now if I wasn't quite sure my volcanoes have been displayed, as it currently doesn't look like any have been added if I didn't know where active volcanoes were, then I can navigate to my layer and click on the 3 dots beside it. This will allow me to select from a variety of more options. The one I'm interested in this time is Zoom to. This will either zoom me out, zoom me in, or even move me to where my data is primarily located. And that's all there is to it.